Russia's 203mm 2S7M Malka heavy self-propelled artillery gun is capable of wiping out bridges and enemy armor with one shot, the state tech corporation Rostec said on Friday. A tremendous impact and the detonation of nearly 20 kilograms of explosives create a powerful destruction effect. It is capable of wiping out even concrete-made fortifications, structures, bridges, river crossings and other installations. Heavy munitions leave craters of up to 7 meters in the ground and tear armor to pieces. Each projectile scatters a mass of fragments over a considerable radius, Rostec said in a statement. The Malka heavy artillery gun is a priority target for the enemy in the area of the special military operation in Ukraine, and Russian artillery crews accomplish their combat objectives as quickly as possible, minimizing the time of their deployment to the position to avoid an adversary counterattack, the state tech corporation explained. Earlier, the commander of a Malka artillery gun engaged in the fighting in the Avdiivka frontline area in the Donbas region told about the gun's capability of making buildings fold down and destroying armor even if hitting close to it. The Malka motorized artillery system is an upgrade of the 2S7 Pion self-propelled cannon developed in the 1980s and considered among the world's most powerful artillery guns to date. The Malka is designed to strike major enemy targets and installations in the tactical defense depth beyond the front line. The gun has a rate of fire of up to 2.5 rounds per minute and can engage targets at a range of about 50 kilometers. The Malka is an upgraded version of the 2S7 Pion self-propelled gun, which was developed in the 1980s and is still considered one of the most powerful in the world. The rifled gun has a 203mm caliber and the combat vehicle makes part of high-power artillery battalions. The self-propelled artillery system is designed to destroy enemy strategic targets in the tactical depth of defense. The gun has a rate of fire of up to 2.5 rounds per minute and a firing range of about 50 kilometers, 31 miles. It has a weight of 46 tons and a road speed of 60 kilometers per hour, 37.2 miles per hour. Its crew totals 6. The Malka is being actively used in Russia's special military operation in Ukraine. This spring, the Russian Defense Ministry posted video clips of the operation of the Malka system. Fire adjustment was performed with the use of an Orlan-10 unmanned aerial system. We are hitting enemy manpower, weapons, and fortifications, for example, bunkers, a crew member of the Malka's self-propelled artillery system said in the video. A Malka strike is enough to wipe out a 3- or 5-story bunker, he emphasized. In August, the Russian Defense Ministry released video footage showing Malka self-propelled artillery systems eliminating M777 howitzers delivered by the United States to Ukraine. Artillerymen of the Western Military District destroyed enemy positions by hitting American M777 howitzers delivered to the Ukrainian armed forces. American howitzers are able to work from a considerable distance and are mobile and small-sized too. But the considerable firepower, range, high accuracy and aiming speed of the Malka make all the advantages of the Western guns useless, the Defense Ministry said in a comment to the video. Soviet-made Malka large-caliber artillery systems are gradually upgraded. The guns get a new gearbox, distribution system, power supply units, intercom equipment, data reception and processing devices, and radio stations. The system's nuclear protection system and observation devices are replaced. The upgrade is intended to increase the survivability of crews and enhance the system's firing and tactical capabilities in combat. Upgraded 2S-7M Malka self-propelled artillery systems are delivered to the Russian armed forces. In 2018, the Central Military District's artillery large unit based in the Kemerovo region received 12 Malka systems. Servicemen constantly use Malka systems in drills to practice hitting targets, deploying weapons, fortifying positions, and camouflaging artillery systems. Counter-terrorism units practice preventing a simulated enemy from seizing high-power weapons. The 2S-7M Malka is capable of firing nuclear artillery munitions. A mock-up of one of the munitions was shown by the Rosatom State Corporation at the Army 2022 International Military Technical Forum. The 203mm Road 5-1 nuclear projectile has a capacity of 2,000 tons of TNT. The charge was intended for the B-4M artillery system, but it is also suitable for other guns with the same caliber, for example, the Malka. The Road 5-1 was in service from 1972 to 1985 and was produced until 1980. Work is currently in progress to develop high-precision guided projectiles for the Malka system. High-precision projectiles based on various technologies to improve firing accuracy are being developed, for example, radio-ballistic and also guided ones using satellite navigation. Editor-in-chief of the Arsenal of the Fatherland Journal Viktor Murakowski said in an interview with the Izvestia newspaper. As a result, the most powerful guns become a high-precision scalpel, which, at ranges of several tens of kilometers, will be able to hit enemy strategic targets with 1 to 2 projectiles. Murakowski also noted that the digitalization of control systems was important for high-power artillery systems. Such modernization makes it possible to include artillery battalions in the single reconnaissance engagement systems of our troops. As the combat operation in Syria has shown, this allows for reducing the time for preparing and engaging strike systems. The time period from identifying a target and setting a strike mission to a volley is reduced by 3 to 5 times, the Izvestia newspaper quoted Murakowski,